Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we upload using Excel to upload equipment and then create contract lines and PMs using the upload. So first, I will need a contract header. I will use the existing contract header, which is this 1510. Okay, so this contract header is 1510, and let's remember it's customer code and address code 3 and 4. So inside this Excel file, company code is 3, address code is 4, and contract number, we are going to change it to 1510. Okay, active market one contract price. If you don't want some special contract price, leave it 0. Okay, so here is the description. I am going to say this is upload test January 19th. Okay, and item equipment, item number, I am going to directly use the item equipment as a representative, but you can always change it to your own equipment item. Okay, and here is the note. I will use the note test, 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 1, 2, 3. So that we can easily identify that that's the item. All right, so this is the quantity. And for the serious number, I'm going to use demo test 1192024. Right, and then here is the service code for this equipment. I am going to use PM standard, and of course you can use your own. And the severity code is PM regular. And again, for the tag, I am going to say this is test 1 January 19th, 2024. And territory, I will leave it there. And make is some make that you can pick. And I will put a test um, on that as well. On the model, I will also put a test there so you can easily identify. And here is your UDF location. So for location, I put a test in the beginning as well. So this is the area served. Again, a test in the beginning. Here is the equipment type. I'm not going to change it because we must make the equipment type match our existing equipment type in the system. So this one already existing system, so I'm happy with that. I'm not going to change it. And here is your equipment ID. I believe this is the ID coming from your existing system. So I would say I'll give it a very good number 9999123. And here is the routine for that PM. So instead of using 800-E, I'm going to use 1234 8 as my routine number, so it's easy to identify. And again, here's the PM type. So this is the PM type that you're gonna use when you create a PM. So all the orange part is your PM details. So if you want to create PM details, when you upload this equipment, you're going to fill in those fields. Otherwise, you can leave them empty, or you can just don't upload those orange parts. Okay. And here is the PM description. I will leave it and add a 8 timestamp here. Here's annually. Next PM date, maybe let's choose February 1st. And here is the fixed charge. I don't think I'm going to give it fixed charge, so I will leave it empty. And here is empty. So which means this one does not have a fixed charge item. We are not going to charge our customer anything when we do this visit. There's no fixed charge. And here is the default resource. If you know your default resource, then put it here. Okay. Here is your default duration. This is minutes. So instead of 45, I would say it's 30 minutes. And then here is the PM notes. PM notes that will show task notes, test to test. Okay. And then finally is the checklist you want to assign to this PM detail. I will use basic. And the final one is the work order type. I will pick maintenance. And once I'm happy with that, I will click save. And then what I will do is I will go to this setup, import manager, equipment import. And then in the equipment import, I'm going to find my equipment import template with PM. And open, upload, the file was loaded successfully, preview and take a look if that's the item. Yeah, upload test January 19th. Okay. And then final, we are going to import that and it will say that process completed, one record imported. And let's take a look. What is the result? First, let's go to customer equipment and find our item. I believe the series number is something very strange. Yeah, the serial number will be, okay, today's date, 1/19/2024. All right, here is the equipment we just uploaded, and you can take a look here. So this is the tag number, this is the equipment type, this is the make, model, search number, description, and for other information, I do not upload yet. So like for those sold today, last service date is empty, and you can see here's the equipment notes. And here is the equipment location. It belongs to customer 3 and address is number 4. All right. And then it belongs to this contract, 1510. And now let's go to 1510 and take a look. I go to contract 1510. So first we have a line for this item, which is here. You can see that we have an equipment line here. This is a description upload test. And here is the contract line. And for this contract line, we can see that it links to this equipment. It does not, it has some basic information for service code, coverage code, a severity code, and there's no pricing related to that. Okay. And then finally, we are going to go to our PM manager to see if the PM is accurately uploaded. And you can see it here. So for our equipment test, January 19th, 2024, we have this routine created 1234A, and this is the PM detail that's created by the upload. If we take a look, and this is the test import with new routine, January 19th, and here is the checklist that it links to, work order type, severity code, service code, and the lead tag for this PM detail. And here is the routine. All right, and since we don't have any fixed items, it's MT00 and it's entered by import and it's today. And here's the PM notes that we're showing the task. And here's the customer note. We don't upload a customer note, so it's empty. And then here is the interval, which is January or February 1st and happens every year.